Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to force close applications on your Fire Stick. So if an app isn't working correctly or you just need to get it to restart, this is how you're going to be able to do it by force closing it. So what you want to do is you want to go down to the settings, and in the settings you want to go to applications. And in applications, you want to go down to manage installed applications. And in here, you need to find the application that you want to force close. So I'm gonna go to, I guess, Hulu. And in here, it says force stop. So this will shut down the app. And then the next time you go to open this app, it'll be a fresh restart on the app. So all you have to do is click force stop. It will completely stop the app. And then when you go to open it again, it will start over fresh. So this is how you force stop or force close an application